and our team is Carlos González, Constanza Madrigal, Guillermo Martinez, and Iván Fernando Pelayo. First, the problem. The problem is, a small business buys a computer for 4,000. After 4 years, the value of the computer is expected to be 200. For accounting purposes, the business uses linear depreciation to assess the value of the computer at a given time. This means that if B is the value of the computer at the time T, then a linear equation is used to relate B and T. What we need to do is to find a linear equation that relates B and T, and then sketch a graph of this linear equation, and then what do the slope and the intersection of the graph represent, and find the depreciated value of the computer 3 years from the date of depreciation.
We find that the independent variable is the time, because it can change. So x is equal to time, and the dependent variable is y. So y is equal to the price. Then we have to find the equation of these values. So for that, we have to find the slope. Then the y2 will be 200, and the y1 will be 4,000, and the x1 will be the year 0, and the x2 will be the year 4.
Then the slope is equal to minus 3,800 over 4. And we find that the slope is equal to minus 950. And then with this value, we can find the equation. And the equation is B is equal to minus 950 times that times 9 plus 1,000, because this is the y intercept. And then with these values we can sketch the graph. Yeah. Now this is the graph, and to do the graph we substitute the b for the x, no, for the y, and t for the x.
As we can see in the graph, the big intersection is 4,000. Also, we can check if this is right doing this. T equal to 0. So the linear equation is b equal minus 950 t plus 4,000. And if the t is substituted by 0 and we solve this, the b is equal to 4,000. And like a point, it will be b and 0, 4,000. But what represents this? The true start of the graph, because we can have negative time. This is the value of the computer at the beginning when it was purchased. With the linear equation, we can find the value of the computer at a certain time, or how long the computer will take certain value. For example, if we can to find the depreciate value of
that relate B and C is B is equal to minus 950 C plus 4,000. This is the final equation. And this is the graph. And the y-intercept is in 4,000 and the x-intercept is in 4.25. And we don't use negative values. What do the slope and the intercept of the graph represent? The slope represents how much the value the computer decreased according to the time. The b-intercept represents